Hey, Dream Crypto here. I want to show you how I'm moving my crypto assets that I have mined over to base that I have my DeFi position. But before I keep going, the other me have some words to say. Hi, Dream Crypto here. If you find this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing to support the channel. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. So first of all, I have loaded up my wallet into my qubic wallet, and I will use xt.com this time to exchange my qubic to first USDT and after that USDC so I can transfer it over to base. So first of all, let's go over to xt. Here I need to get the deposit address for qubic. So press deposit, jump over, looking for qubic. Yes, copy the address, and you can also see here below that I have done this before. We are jumping back to the wallet, go over to payment, type in the address, and we will, add and amount, confirm transaction. So this will take a couple of minutes before I have the qubic on XT. So I will cut here and come back when it's done. That took roughly 2 minutes only. So right now I have my qubic on XT. So I will now change it swap it to USDC. Or I'm right like all over the place right now. So we'll go to overview, and we will take a qubic and trade for the USDT. And we will sell it all at once. Not buy, sorry. So sell it all, sell it. So all done. And after that, I need to convert it to USDC. So back to trade, and we will have not there. Go over to spot, and we will use USDC. Here we have it, and we want to buy it. All buy, yes, done. After that, we go back to the overview. And here we have the USDC. So we want to withdraw it. USDC, my wallet, base, all, and press withdraw. Confirm, confirm. So as you can see, also they take roughly $1 for the transaction fee. So now just wait another 2 to 3 minutes before I have it in my wallet. So hold on tight, I am right back. And that was actually very much faster than I expected. It took roughly 20 seconds before I had it in my wallet. And here you can see I have my TBDC, USDC, that I am building with my mining rewards. So in this case, I get mining rewards. I building my DeFi position. It's yielding, and right now I am just sending the rewards back to the pool so I can keep building it. So at this time right now I am increasing my position. Easily done. I jump over and just use the USDC. I hopefully get there. 27, yes. Increase position. And I will have to verify with my ledger and confirm. And the transaction says it's now complete. Let's see if I can get everything on the screen also. Another transaction with the ledger. So, and transaction successful. So that I have now increased my DeFi position with roughly 27 bucks. That will keep yielding for me on TBDC USDC, and TBDC is can you say pegged to Bitcoin price, so it's like yield farming on Bitcoin, and I get 35% right now, so it's going a little up and down, but still very can you say lucrative. So all this took me roughly 8 minutes in total. So, and this video is roughly 6 minutes, so I'm talking too much. So, until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.